Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Gives Sudoku lovers a unique twist on the puzzle, okay? But instead of numbers, we have suspects. What's up, Amazon, KDP, sellers, and JVs? I'm Mike Pause, and today I'm gonna not only show you a really cool niche, I'm going to show you how to break into that niche, the keywords you want to use and the keywords you want to avoid. And I can't stress the avoid part because I've seen too many people try to piggyback on the success of other people's books. You don't want to do that. Okay, first off, I want to give a big shout out to Pat here. Let me scroll myself to Pat here. She's one of her Kuro Nazo puzzle books in the dark mystery market has taken off. Not only does she sell on Amazon KDP, but she also sells off of eBay, which is cool, and I found to be very unique. So there you go. I think it's pretty cool. And I should really show people, I should really show off these testimonials from actual members earning online within our Bose Pause community. Okay, by the way, if you want to join Bose Pause for free, and get access to our free keyword tool, our free, let me show you this. This is really cool. This neat tool right here. Our free Amazon UI display within Amazon. For example, I'm going to show you and talk about this niche. You can get access to all of this down below absolutely for free. Okay. Now, with that out of the way, I want to go over this niche here. Whodunit puzzle book. But this particular type of book that I'm interested in here is this one right here. Now, this person is clever, okay? This person's clever because this person's not using Murdoku. Now, if you don't know what Murdoku is, it's the same puzzle type, and you're completely allowed to go after this puzzle type, this Sudoku type. But I've seen some people abuse this person's work. Now, Murdoku, actually, I learned about recently. One of my Facebook vendor friends is actually was telling me about this. I didn't know about this until recently. This puzzle type, Murdoku. Now, as you can see, Murdoku is a playoff of Sudoku, right? And much like Sudoku, where it's not actual math, you just find the patterns in the numbers. You got to find the pattern in where people are located, right? Now, once you find where the victim, because there's always going to be a murder victim. Once you find where the murder victim was alone with XYZ suspect, then you have your culprit. That's how the game is played. It's a logic puzzle game, okay? But a unique twist on Sudoku. But again, really important, I can't stress how important this is. You should not use the word Murdoku anywhere on your listing. I don't care if you use our software or someone else's, or you do this on Canva. I don't care. Don't use Murdoku. Don't use Murdoku in your title. Don't use it in your subtitle. Don't use it in your description. And more importantly, people think this is cool, but it's not. Don't use it in your keyword slots. You got 7 keyword slots. Don't use that there either. Okay, really important. Amazon KDP will terminate your account if you don't play by their terms of service. I can't stress that enough. Okay, so how do you create this type of book? Well, I already created one. But I'm going to show you how to do it again. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, here I am within Shigai. Shigai royalty is our answer to this puzzle niche. Now, again, like I said, you can go after this particular puzzle type. No one holds a trademark on this. Just the word Murdoku. Stay away from that. I recommend Whodunit. That's in my personal opinion the best keyword to go after. So you can, let's go back to Whodunit puzzle book. Okay, this is the best one in my opinion. Excellent rating. That we give this keyword excellent rating. We have all the stats you need here. Okay, again, result count of just 207, very low. Okay, and this fits all types of book types. For example, deduction book types like The Killers and Alice. So this keyword fits all of this, right? Fits into all of this, and particularly this one right here, which again gives Sudoku lovers a unique twist on the puzzle. Okay, but instead of numbers, we have suspects. Now back into the tool here, you go to bulk. Okay, because why not, right? By the way, all front-end users get bulk access. You want to go 8.5 by 11. Now, let me know down below if you prefer 6 by 9 for Sudoku. I think this puzzle needs room to breathe. So I recommend your US letter standard size book type. Okay. Classic Whodunit. You can, of course, put in the suspect count. Okay. You have a wide variety here, 13, 15 suspects. Of course, the grid gets bigger each time. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay. Now, this is really cool here. I'm going to show you something really cool. So you have the mystery mode, many types of mystery for kids, for family. I prefer classic. We want to go after the adult market here. But this is cool. Artwork style. You got illustrated, kawaii. Let's look at kawaii real quick. Okay, you see everyone's looking kawaii. What I like personally is 16-bit pixel. Okay. Now, I was a teenager in the 90s. So Super Family Con, Sega Genesis. I like this look. Right now, Minecraft's a big thing, right? So that's what I like. But for this example, I want it nice and clean. I'm going to keep it with the outline, okay? Outline is cool. Now, I love color. I love all these pretty colors. However, if you're going to sell this on Amazon KDP, if you want to cut down on cost, get more royalties, I recommend B&W, black and white. Let's do that. Boom, black and white. I'm going to go with clean print for, blow that up, floor treatment. Floor treatment is the inside of the grid, okay? And difficulty, you have your choice. I'm going to go with medium. I want the case header and stuff at the top. Okay, we're almost done. Number of pages, I'm going to go with 40. Okay, that gives us a book of 80, right? Because we have our solutions. But I'm going to make it 81 because I'm going to add instructions. You click instructions. Wait, not yet. I'll do that at the very end. I want to make sure the page number appears. Yes. So once I have my order here, I'm going to click add the queue, and I'm going to override everything and let this puppy do its thing. Okay. So it's generating all 40 pages plus solutions, obviously. Now that that's done, I'm going to click on instructions, and I'm going to click plus. Okay, that's cool. So you want to how to play. Also, copyright plus. Wait, the book has to complete before I could do that. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm in a hurry. There's nowhere I need to be right now. Let me see here. Author name, Jack Smith, and create the copyright. Beautiful. Everything is done to our liking. Now, you click export, go to single PDF. That's our interior. Okay, I'm going to show you the interior once it's done doing its thing here. Once it's done exporting, I'm going to download it and show you what it looks like. We'll download that. Let's open her up. Okay, we got our copyright. We got our how-to. So that's how you create the interior. And let me show you right quick. To create your book cover, you just go to book cover generator. And again, if you want me to make a video on how to create a Murdoku style book cover, let me know down below. It really helps the channel. Lets me know if you made it this far. And it also lets me know what you want from this channel, okay? Also, like and subscribe, and you have a great, fantastic day. Be good, take care, and stay cool, guys.